Hello, welcome everyone. Today we are going to learn a little more about JavaScript, and this is our third class. Okay, if you are visiting for the first time this YouTube channel, I will request you to subscribe this channel and um, hit the bell icon so that whenever I upload new video, you can get a notification. Okay. In the last two classes, we have learned um, three methods, very important methods in JavaScript, and also learn variables and also learn a couple of data types. We learn string, numbers, and boolean, right? Today we are going to learn one more very important method, okay? In JavaScript, we call them method and function. Now I'm going to open uh, developer tools, okay, and then go to console and write JavaScripts, okay. uh, we already know the alert method, okay, and we know how to run it. Hello JavaScript developers, I'm just recapping what we learned in the last class, okay, and just press enter. What's wrong? Alert. Okay. um, there is a spelling mistake. I'm sorry. Alert, there is R. Okay, and just press enter and we see hello JavaScript developers. Okay, and another method we learned, that is uh, prompt. Okay, prompt, then we can say what are you learning, say for example. Okay, and if you now execute it, just pressing enter button, it will give us a text area to answer. What are you learning? I'm learning what? JavaScript. Okay, and if you just click on OK, it will print whatever we want prompt to be printed. Okay, and third method we learn is console.log, and we can say hello developers, how are you doing? Okay, all right, press enter and we say hello developers, how are you doing? All right, and today we are going to learn one more very important uh, method in JavaScript. Okay, uh, there is no way we cannot avoid it, we must learn it, and that is document.write. Okay, this is also method. I told you whenever you see something in parentheses then semicolon, you have to know that it is a method in JavaScript. Okay, and now if I write uh, welcome, say for example, even if I want to make it a headline, I can use a HTML tag. Okay, those who don't know what is HTML, we are running also another course, full stack web development. Please follow that series so that you can learn also JavaScript, HTML, CSS, and some other programming languages. Okay, so this is opening tag and this is closing tag. The difference between opening tag and closing tag is opening tag doesn't have this slash, but closing tag has a slash. Okay, and if you just run it now, you will see welcome will be printed. Welcome to this course. So for example, okay, just press enter. Document.write document, but spelling is mistaken. I'm sorry. What's going on? I think R and N is not working on my keyboard. Here it is. If you look at the right side, you can see uh, welcome to this course has been printed. Okay, so four different methods are functioning differently. Alert is popping up giving us an alert. Prompt is giving us an option to write the answer. It is also popping up and giving us option to write, um, giving us text area, and when we write the answer, it's just being printed. Okay, and document.write is just uh, printing on the front end. Okay, and console.log, that is being printed only in console. We have to open console window to see that output. Okay, so now if I want to write documents dot write, say for example I want a horizontal row. Okay, this is HTML tag, HR tag. Okay, uh, and I press shifts then enter and write again documents dot write and write something inside of it. Um, this is JavaScript boot camps, for example. Boot camps are very expensive. You know, you have to pay 10K to 20K just for 3 months courses. So it's better to learn on YouTube. There are tons of materials and resources, maybe not complete, but you can at least learn the foundational courses. And if you follow along with me, I will be running this tutorial for beginners, maybe 6 months, and you can learn both front end and web, front end and back end web development from scratch, and you can become an expert within 6 months. Okay, and if I just press enter, we can see horizontal role here divided between welcome to this course and this is JavaScript bootcamp. And actually, if you want to make this headline, even you can do it. You can just make h1 tag and closing h1 tag. Closing tag has um, as a closing tag, okay, a slash h1. And if you want to make it even style, I think we can put style, and you can say color is red. Okay. uh, Semicolon. I hope this will work. Okay. Usually in JavaScript we don't style. Okay. Mm, we will learn it in HTML and CSS part. Mm, it didn't say it's wrong, but it didn't work. So what we can do is uh, we just omit the styling here. Okay. Mm, I don't want to make it complicated. Okay, just enter and just if we refresh it, it's gone. Let's try again. um, Documents dot write, and I can say welcome. Okay, semicolon, shift enter, then write again document dot write, and I put HR. It should be within the tag. Okay, then parenthesis, then enter document dot write, and I want to say this is JavaScript course for beginners. Okay, whatever. Should I just want it to be a headline? Okay, and closing tag. I hope it will work now. Here it is. Welcome. This is JavaScript course, but in between welcome and this is JavaScript course, there is a horizontal role that has divided between welcome and JavaScript. Okay, and if you want to make it even uh, heading, you can make it. I can use h2 tag. Okay, and here it is. Okay, so thank you very much. Today we learned new method, and that is document.write, and tomorrow we will be setting up, or we will develop an environment where we can write JavaScript programming using a code editor. Again, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon to get notification whenever I upload new tutorial. Thank you so much.